Hello everyone, and welcome to just a quick video promoting my revision lecture, which is going to be happening in the school holidays in the second week on Thursday the 29th of September. I wanted to promote this because firstly I didn't think a lot of people knew that it was happening, and I feel like the channel has grown a lot recently and I want to be able to help out as many people as possible, do as well as possible on the end of year exam. So I'm doing things a little bit different to how a lot of revision lectures often run. How they often run is that one person does 3 hours to do all content for the whole of a subject, and I think that's not enough. I've done 3 hours on just Unit 3 before, earlier in the year, and even then it's just push for time if you want to go through everything in a meaningful way that's going to benefit everyone as much as possible. So what I'm doing, it's a big day of economics on Thursday the 29th. What we're going to be doing is a Unit 3 lecture from 9:30 until 12, a Unit 4 lecture from 1 p.m. until 3:30 p.m. And you've got the option of doing one or both. It's either $30 for one or both for $45. You don't even need to be there. So there are some extras in this, in that they're all going to be recorded. So in terms of what's included, you will get a summary of all the content in VCE economics. So all the key knowledge for Unit 3 or Unit 4 or both, depending on what you do, you're going to get access to all of that. You will also get an analysis of VCAR questions relevant to key knowledge. So as we're going through dot point by dot point, we will stop down on dot points to look at what type of questions come up from VCAR and how you go about answering them, what a good answer looks like. Then we will also have up-to-date data and statistics and budgetary policies, as well as analysis of up-to-date monetary policy. So for example, this afternoon or this evening, interest rates are going to rise again because the cash rate is going to go up by 0.5. We're going to talk about why that's happening, why that's important, and how that impacts the domestic macroeconomic goals. So you can smash those questions on the end of your exam. We are then also going to give you access to a recording of these lectures. So if you're not there, you can get access to the whole 2.5 hours of it to watch at your leisure, anytime, whenever you want. That will be yours. Then, lastly, you will also get access to all the resources used during the lecture. So you'll have the PowerPoints, you'll have any other resources used for it, and that will all be yours. And finally, there'll be a bit of Q&A time at the end if you want to ask any more questions that you don't feel were answered in the lecture. And then also you'll be able to email me any other time and I'll try and get back to you as best I can. But that's this. If you are interested in this lecture at all, there is a link below in the description of this video for you to sign up for it. I would love to see you there. It's online. It's going to be on Microsoft Teams. Then that's how you'll get the recording. You'll have access to it forever. If you have any questions, just comment below or send me an email, sean@therunningeconomy.com. I hope you are pumped because assessment is getting to the end and we're getting full speed onto exam revision. Other than that, enjoy the GAT tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye.